My rotting teeth were killing me. Like, that actually was killing me. I was sick all the time because of the infection, the bacteria. My name is Kristen. I had a full mouth restoration by Dr. Sherman. I guess it's horrifying because no one ever wants to find themselves with rotting teeth. You know, it's the most embarrassing thing there is. You don't want to smile. And I had been on life support from open heart surgery. And due to, my teeth being exposed to air, and I guess saliva is incredibly important to keeping your teeth healthy, for the month and a half that I was incubated, my teeth didn't get any saliva. They were just exposed to the air. And so the roots of my teeth started rotting. And, it just got worse and worse. And no matter what I did, I brushed, it was terrible. I had rotten brown teeth at the bottom of my gums here at the top. And it's like, once it started happening, it just kept spreading to all my teeth. And I think, once you get the bacteria, I guess it just keeps growing. And I didn't have dental insurance. I didn't know exactly what to do, and I kind of left it. I was having nightmares about my teeth falling out. It's embarrassing. And I thought I needed dentures, just, rip out all of my teeth. So I found Whiteridge Dental and came up here, and it was immediate. They took me back, they showed me everything. I was really excited, and I was able to schedule an appointment within a couple weeks and start working on my teeth.
Chris had a previous dental complication which compromised her overall health. She had quite a bit of decay around the teeth, and so I wanted to cover and protect all of the remaining teeth that she had. She had really good roots, and I like to conserve as much natural teeth as possible.
The infection, because of your teeth, it goes straight to your heart. And if you don't know it and you don't take care of it, your whole body, I just became completely, they call it septicemia. I was just completely full of toxin. By the time I got into the hospital, and the reason I have a pacemaker is there was so much infection in my heart, the whole side of my heart was blocked. The moment I walked in here, Lori at the desk is incredible. I felt like family. And every time I came in, everybody greeted me. Everybody knew exactly what to do with me. They were amazing. They got started right away. Shockingly enough, the time went by really fast. They were great. They talked to me the whole time. They engaged. They made sure I was comfortable. But also when I left, they would call me to make sure that my temps that they'd put on were, lasting, that everything was going well. From the moment I agreed to do it, within 3 months, I had new, beautiful teeth. And that's pretty awesome.
So in her case, we treatment planned full crowns on every tooth in her mouth. That way we could establish a great smile aesthetically. Function-wise, she could eat everything that she wants to, and it resolved everything that she wanted.
I didn't really know that there was a lot of help, so that was then, and this is now. Big difference, night and day. Like, I actually smile, I never did. I was always covering my, even sometimes because it's so recent. It's been, you notice I still kind of try not, because I forget, it's because this is still very new for me. But yeah, this is, you can't be grateful enough. It's your whole life. It's everything. It's everyone's first impression of you. People assume immediately that you're stupid, or you're lesser. So you can even see from before to now when I interact with people, the difference. I really got blessed and lucky to find Dr. Sherman and them. They've been amazing. And I really hope that even by telling my story, that people can see this and find comfort and know where to go. This was truly a miracle for me.